Good morning, MUNA delegates. It's Wednesday the 25th of August and it's just past 11, or it's 20 past 11, which gives you just under an hour until there's exactly 2 days until the MUNA 2021 video submission closes online. You can see on the website there is a countdown there, 2 days, 40 minutes. So understanding, guys, just wanted to confirm with you that your video submission that you're uploading, the resolution, which is protection of global climate for present and future generations, that your video format is 5 minutes, that it is HD or 1080p. Please don't upload a 4K video or a large video. Ensure that it's 16:9 or landscape. And when you've got that video, you have to register on the MUNA video portal. The long link is there. I'll go through that in a minute. You need to sign up or register. You need to get a confirmation email for that, and once you verify your email address, I'll get an email confirming that you've registered and I will approve you. Once you're approved and you'll get an email confirming that, you can log into the site and you can upload your entry. There is only one entry per contestant and you cannot edit after you upload. As I said, the submissions will close Friday 27th of August at 12 noon. And on Sunday the 29th of August, the MUNA People's Choice will open for you to look at other delegations' videos and to vote for them. If you want to know how to use the video portal, you can go to show you that here. On the MUNA website, muna9820.org.au, you can type in video. Oops, if you type it in correctly. Type in video and it will take you to how to use the site. There is a how to use the MUNA video portal with a video on how to register and sign up there, and a video on how to upload your video, showing you how to upload your video submission. If you need support on the website, you can just go to the bottom of the page and hit support and assistance, or the URL is muna9820.org support. You can book that in. If you want any more information about MUNA, muna9820.org 2021, or on the home page, you can just click on there and you'll get dates and all other information about MUNA. So that's the wrap up. We're nearly on the home stretch, and if you need any assistance, just let us know. So just recapping, that's the link for the Launchpad video, the video submission platform, so the video portal, but you can get that off the website. If you need help or a how-to guide on how to upload and manage the video portal, you just go to muna9820.org.au/video. If you need support, muna9820.org.au support, and all dates and information is on the MUNA website. Good luck, delegates. At the time of doing this video, there are 4 registrations and 2 video uploads. So today and probably tomorrow, I will see a lot more videos being uploaded and registrations, and I wish you luck.